Hi, this is Adrian from Yuchai, Australia, and today we're looking at the brand new Yc80-9 that's just arrived from Yuchai. A lot of improvements in this machine. We have a new engine which is giving us a lot more fuel efficiency, brand new hydraulic system that is also more efficient and more powerful than the previous model. We have an increase to the strength of the upper and lower structure of the machine. The machine also carries a larger cabin that is quieter, and the cooling system is more efficient than previous models. Ease of maintenance has been improved with side opening doors. All filters are accessible from either the left hand side or the right hand side of the machine. We use common filters available in Australia such as Donaldson air cleaners and Fleetguard oil and fuel filters. Here's a quick demonstration of the machine working.